I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox, so I am so pleased that you have joined me. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please be certain to subscribe and tap the bell so you'll get a notification every time I open a Stitch Fix or any other box of clothing. And I review all sorts of clothing, so if you like that type of thing, you are in the right place. If you follow me, you know this Stitch Fix is coming right on the heels of my last Stitch Fix, which was a very unusual fix, to say the least, because I received someone else's bundle. So in this video, I will tell you what happened with that, and if you want to see what I received, stick around. Everything that you need to know about Stitch Fix I have left in the description box below, as well as my referral link. So if you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself, you can use my referral link. I think that they will extend you a little bit of credit depending on when you are watching this video. And they also extend a little credit to me. So thank you very much to everyone that has used my link. You guys have really hooked me up, and thank you very much. My last Stitch Fix box, I received someone else's bundle. I will link that video in the cards above, as well as in the playlist at the end of this video. And that was a really unusual I have done dozens and dozens and dozens of fixes with no problem at all. So the way I handled it was I filmed it, I uploaded it, I went to the checkout, and I returned every single item because I didn't receive any of those items, and that's what I left in the note. Didn't receive this item, didn't receive this item. At the end of the checkout, you can leave a short note for your stylist about the fix that you received. And I told her I didn't receive any of these things, but I did receive the invoice and the style cards of what she intended to send to me, and the grand total of the fix that I was supposed to get was $476. And guys, I'm just an average working girl, and that is expensive. So I did tell her that although everything looked nice that she wanted to send to me, it was very expensive, and I would appreciate a budget-friendly fix. Let's see if that happened here. Now, I did reach out to Stitch Fix. I contacted them to let them know that the bundle wasn't correct. They asked me for the item numbers of the items that I had received because they wanted to contact the person that had not received their bundle. Everything was done via form letter. There was no personal touch in there. That's just the truth. And they immediately expedited a new box to me, and that was sent via FedEx. That came, I received it last night, so it was very fast. And I did want to wait to film it, although I can't wait to get into this box because I wanted you to see it. So quickly, before I get to work this morning, I want to open this box and share it with you. Can you see? It is a big fix. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Okay, everything you need to know about Stitch Fix is always printed right on the box, and this is what my box looks like. You guys, looks like a bag is in there, doesn't it? We have a return mailer, and postage is free with Stitch Fix. Anything that I don't want to keep, I can return via the post office, postage free. We have paperwork. Shall we look? Let's look real quick. You know what, I need to look. Let's look at the style card and see if the stylist says anything about the last fix. This is a new fix, I can tell already. She says, "Hi Kelly, and happy fix day. I am so sorry you did not receive the right fix last time. I found some things I hope you'll love to get ready for fall this time. The Articles of Society skinny jeans will be a wardrobe staple. They'll look great with the tinsel navy and burgundy plaid shirt, which is such a pretty color combo for fall. Complete the outfit with some brown boots and the Urban Expression burgundy structured satchel bag. The Paper Moon maxi dress is the perfect, easy-to-wear piece for an instantly put-together outfit. It'll look great with a denim jacket and some gladiator sandals or ankle booties. Hope you love this fix. Enjoy, and let us know if you have any requests for next time. XO Jamie." So I have a new stylist, and you guys heard everything that I received, and there's a strappy maxi dress, which doesn't excite me at all. A cute bag. That's what my style card looks like. Here's the bundle. We have, oh, you guys, this is pretty. Oh, Oh, I like this. This is nice. This is the Urban Expressions Marina Structured Satchel in burgundy. And you can see we do have, you like this, Mia? My puppy likes it. We have a pocket on the side. Oh, that's kind of hard to get into though. It's pretty stiff. Oh, my hand's stuck. Let's see. It looks like it's got a crossbody as well. It's got that long leather string to open it. And the opening there. That's a little tight to get into though. Crossbody strap in a black leather. And we have some card pockets on this side and one large pocket on the other side. Can you guys see that? The inside. I don't know, this just seems a little bit tight, but I really, really love the color of this bag. This is the perfect shape and size bag for me. Now I'm going to have to see if it's going to work. I mean, if it's practical, if I can get in and out of it, because isn't it lovely? That gold hardware and the black leather looking. Oh, you guys, this is an awesome bag. Let's break into this bundle. First thing is the Emery Park Dolce 3/4 sleeve Hassie knit top in taupe. And this is in a size medium. This feels like pajamas. Oh my goodness, is it soft? Okay, we have that cross detail in the front, which I'm so over with, but I might be able to overlook because, oh, this feels amazing. 3/4 sleeves and rounded hemline. Really, really nice. Okay, that's that kind of heathered gray with the white stripe in it. I like that. Next, this is that tinsel top she mentioned, which is really super wrinkled. And this is by Tinsel. It's the Hattie 2-pocket button-down top in burgundy, size medium. It's burgundy and navy with the tab sleeves. I wonder if they unroll into a full sleeve. Please tell me they do. Yes, okay. So we do have a full long sleeve. We have a rounded hem there. It's really wrinkled, really wrinkled, and the 2 pockets in the front. I like the colors on this. Okay, next up is the dress. And this is the Paper Moon Wendelin knit maxi dress in navy. And I can see in the style cards, it's not bra friendly. Right off the bat, I don't like this. I say I don't like it, but I have a couple navy maxi dresses that are very, very similar to this. I just don't think I need this. I'll try it on for you guys. We'll see. Maybe it's gonna wow me once I put it on. These are the Articles of Society Tiana Skinny Jean in indigo. And they're just doesn't even look like, there's a little distressing in the wash, but no distressing anywhere else. That's what they look like. So, okay, let's try everything on. Okay, you can see I have changed back into my regular clothes, and the reason is because nothing in this fix has wowed me. I like a lot of the things in this fix, but I'm not crazy about anything. Let's look at the prices and see if I can be swayed to purchase anything. Guys, I do want to let you know that I do have some bruising on my arms. You can see it on my hands. You probably see that a lot if you watch my videos. There's nothing wrong with me. I play with my puppies and roughhouse, and I just bruise easily. So don't be concerned. I am fine. That's what it is. Let's talk about this bag. Okay. The bag is Urban Expressions, the Marina Structured Satchel. It's $64, which is a really good price for a handbag, but I don't like the construction of this bag. Now, isn't it gorgeous? It looks lovely. If I just needed a handbag for an accessory just to carry and look cute, this would be the bag. This has everything I like in the aesthetics of a bag. It's the perfect size. It's got feet on the bottom, the burgundy color, which I love, the black accents, the gold detail and hardware. This pocket is so very difficult to get into, and it's just the construction of the bag. I can actually feel like the cardboard or whatever has separated from the leather, the faux leather, whatever it is. So it's very difficult to get into. And even when you open the bag, it's tough to get into it. I didn't mention that the crossbody is adjustable, which I appreciate. I think $64 is a really good price for a bag, but I use my bags. They're more than an accessory for me. And for that reason, I have to send this back because it's not practical. In fact, this pocket thing feels just defective to me. I think that it is just separated on the inside. It's going to break with any use at all. So this bag, sadly, is going back. I'm really not shopping for a bag, but I love that my stylist sent this option for me to try because it is beautiful. The next item is this Paper Moon Wendelin knit maxi dress in navy. This is only $48. I didn't like it. It's not bra friendly. My stylist notes always say that I need bra friendly. It also doesn't feel season appropriate to me. I mean, it's a navy color, which is nice going into the fall. I wear navy year round, but with all that strapping and whatnot, it feels more like a sundress. And I have dresses in navy so similar to this. I don't need this. I don't want it. There's nothing about this. That cinched waist and then kind of extra flowy fabric up top I don't think is figure flattering for me. Yeah, this is a nice enough dress. $48 is a super price. I just don't need this. So this is going back. This is the Tinsel Hattie 2 pocket button down top in burgundy for $44. You guys, this, look how wrinkled it is. Now, this is 100% rayon, so it's going to wrinkle. It probably will shrink as well. I don't think I showed you that there is that pleating in the back. The cuffs were too large. The sleeves felt tight. This shirt did not wow me. I also have a feeling this blouse is going to shrink even more. Just not real crazy about the construction. Don't like the fabric at all. If it's this wrinkled coming to me, it's going to be more wrinkled once it becomes mine. I see this and I just see work, and I don't need extra work added to my life, so this one's going back. Okay, let's talk about the articles of society. These denims are the Tiana skinny jeans. These are only $64, which is a super price for a great denim. I like the articles of society denim, and these did not disappoint. They have everything that I'm looking for in a denim. Very, very stretchy, easy to move in, and I like these. So let me know if you like the articles of society denim, and maybe I'll add another pair of denims to my collection. Okay, the best for last. This is the Emery Park, the Hassie knit top with the 3/4 length sleeves. This one is $38, so that's a super price. Check the tags on this one, and this is polyester. This is about 65% polyester and 30% rayon, some spandex in it. And I have Emery Park and it wears well. I haven't had any problems with it shrinking. Now, again, guys, this feels like jammies. It feels extra super soft. Stitch Fix is famous for their super soft clothing, and this is one of those garments. And so for $38, I think I want to keep it, but you know what? I'm so over this cross detail. I do not want to collect all this cross detail again this fall. Please let me know what you think about this piece, because this is the one piece that I would really like to keep. Do you guys like it? Is it great enough to keep? Would you keep it? Let me know in the comments below. Okay. The order subtotal is $258. My buy all discount is $64.50, which brings the total of this box to $193.50. I have a bunch of credit. I'm not going to use that credit, except for maybe to buy this Emery Park. If you like it, because if my viewers like this top, I will purchase it. I'll make a video wearing it, and if you guys don't like it, I'm going to send it back. This has been a fun Stitch Fix. There just wasn't anything in here that I feel like I can't live without. Let me know what you think about everything that I received in my Stitch Fix, and thank you for joining me once again for another unboxing. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you very much for your thumbs up. I'll have another video for you probably tomorrow. So be on the lookout for that. Until we meet again, blessings to all of you.